Alright guys, what's up? It's your boy David from Pen Daily. This is the real deal now. We have the OnePlus 7 in our hands. The long awaited. Not this guy anymore. Remember him? Nope, not him anymore. This is actually the real thing. You guys ready? Here we go. Right over here. Ooh. Here we go. Time to unleash the price. Ah, look at that. Look at this guy. What color did they give us? Let's see. Perfect. This has to be the Nebula Blue. Look at this color. Fantastic. Triple cam setup right here. Okay, let me go ahead and peel this off so you guys can get a better look at this beauty. Look at that. Oh man, look at this. Just beautiful. Okay, anyway. Let's drop this to the front right now. Let's check out what's in the box. We have, oh, this is just a piece of paper. Here is our charger, and we have the cable. Oh, this is a really, really well wrapped cable right here. Actually, let me take it out for you guys. Oh, actually, I'm just gonna get it right out. Okay. And then, let me see if I can, maybe it's out of batteries, perhaps? Oh, no, it's not. Here we go. The OnePlus 7 Pro, guys. Stay tuned for our review because we will definitely be doing a review of this beautiful flagship from OnePlus. Once again, this is the back cover, Nebula Blue.